So just you cooperate with me. Sometimes internet is fluctuating. Okay. So now, sir, what might be the cost of Tally license? Okay. So go to here, tallysolutions.com. Press enter key. Okay. When I would like to buy Tally software, as I said, multiple products and see the price. So there is a two flavor. One is silver, gold, and diamond. Okay. So I'll make clarify. So Tally silver, then Tally gold. So Tally silver means it's a single user. Then Tally gold, it means multi-user. Okay. So Tally single user and Tally multi-user. So silver, it's a single user edition. It works for standalone PC, and that your cost is around 18,000 plus GST. So GST, it's take you plus 3,240. So it's cost you around 21 and a half. Okay, then Tally Gold we have 54,000 plus GST. Again, it's around 10,000, so around 65,000 it's cost you. And the beauty of this one is unlimited multi-user edition, multiple PCs across the local area network environment we can use it. Okay, so these are the two main editions are there. So single user and multi-user. And apart from this, we have a Tally silver rental and gold rental. So silver rental like single user edition, but it works for 1 month, 3 months, and 12 months. Suppose when you're working for only 1 month, okay, so 30 days, if you would like to work in a Tally software with a license, okay, you have to pay around 600 rupees plus GST around 108. Okay, so 708, 710 rupees you have to pay. And if you search for the 3 months, then 1,800, then for 12 months, 7,200. Okay, and for this gold rental, for 1 month cost you around 1,800 plus GST, 3 months 5,400 plus GST, for annual 21,600. So this is on rental basis. Okay, so based on number of users, it cost you. Okay, so Tally silver 18,000 plus GST. This side 64,000 plus GST. This is the license cost. Now you check for Tally Prime server. So for medium and small scale industries like enterprises, Tally Prime server works with Tally Prime Gold license 2,70,000 plus GST. Tally Prime server. That's so this is all about Tally license. Okay, now talk about Tally. Fine. Okay. And as I said here, the list of companies, when you open Tally screen, after the installation, and click continue. Now, during the installation, I specified when you are working for Tally, it's require minimum 500 MB memory space. Okay, let's see. Open your task manager and see the performance. Okay, so not performance, process. See this. Tally itself, it's consuming 416 MB memory space. Okay, other rest of the applications are using less memory, but it's required 416 MB memory space when you're working on Tally. So this is very, very important. Sometimes if you open with multiple instances, like 300, three times if you open, so there itself it consumes your memory space and make you much more delay. So that's why make ensure how many times you have opened Tally screen or Tally software. Okay, so around 500 MB memory is required while working on Tally primes. But this is very, very important. Do not open more than one time. Tally prime software more than one. The next.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Telpa.
Sir, you just an advice, sir. Can you like on your both mobile data and Wi-Fi together so that the network will be smooth?
And is that any fluctuation is going on?
Yes, sir. It's my side. It's not. It's very nice. It's smooth, but at your side, it's fluctuating, sir.
And even I connected with Wi-Fi also. Could you able to see? 1 minute.
Okay, and your mobile data is also on, sir.
Yeah, yeah. See now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Even I have wired also.
Okay.
Okay. So thanks for your advice. So next, we have application data or application path and data path. We have two types of path in Tally. Two types of path. One is application path and data path. So application path where Tally Prime installed, but data path where companies will get saved. Okay, the application path C colon slash program files. Let's see once this is your application path. C drive, program files, then tally, so tally, this is your application. The next one, data path, says user slash public slash tally prime slash data. This is our data path. Text C colon slash users slash public slash tally prime slash data. So this is the default path. Okay. And notice while creating a company. So I'm selecting a create company, press enter key. Could able to notice the first line item of the tally screen is company data path. Okay. So your company data path is C colon users public tally prime slash data. So the same thing is updated. Okay, whenever you create a company, then directly which will save in the same menu path. Okay, and but once if you create a company, so your data path takes 5 digits numbers, which maintains 5 digits numbers to store the company's data. So first 5 digits of the first company is 10,000, then second 10,001, then third one 10,002. So like that, it will keep on moving up to the level of 99,999. So there's a maximum number of companies can be created. So 99,999. So 99,999 companies can be created. Okay, using the same menu path. Okay, I'm creating one company by the name of NICT Computer Education. Press enter key. Address number 150, first main road, China. Next state is Karnataka. Country automatically detected. Provide pin code number, then telephone number, then mobile number. Press enter key. And if you have details about the websites and all, you give NICT education.com. Press enter key. So now in this stage, if I press Control A, so your company will save without any security. Let's see. I pressed Control A. Now company is saved. And again press Control A to update. So now company is saved. Then to shut down this, I'm using Control plus F3. So select the company whichever is opened right now, and notice this 5 digits number. Just now, as I said, the first company after the installation, clean installation of Tally Prime, the first five digits of the first company will be 10,000. Okay, so press enter key. So company is shut down. Okay. Next, again, if I would like to create one more company with security parameter, so select create company, and here there is no security levels. Okay, I need to have some more additional option along with that existing one. So what you have to do is by pressing F12, make activate this option. Use Tally Vault password to encrypt company data. Say yes. And next we have use user access control. Say yes. Press enter key and accept. So this the security is activated. Okay. Next again provide next gen private limited. New company I'm giving number 100. Second name state Karnataka. Then telephone number, mobile number, and give website nextgen.com. Financial year begins from 1st of April. Now books beginning from 1st of April. Let it be the same date. And next I'm using set Tally Vault password to encrypt company data. So what is this company's data will be encrypting? The name of the company. So the name of the company, what is showing now? NextGen Private Limited. So in place of selection, NextGen Private Limited company will not be displaying. So instead of NextGen Private Limited, which will show you some star mark. So in that way, Tally company name itself will be encrypting. Okay, so if you would like to say yes for that, say yes. And is asking for Tally Vault password, you can give. And one more time is asking, say enter. And you have one warning message. So do not forget your Tally Vault password. Suppose once if you've forgotten, then God only has to save your data. Okay, so Tally itself is recommending you to not to forget. Okay, write somewhere whenever there is a chance to forget. Okay, and next we have an option called use access level. Say yes. Control user access to the company's data. Say yes. Username admin. Password 123. Confirm again the password 123. The same password again I have issued. So here also I have issued 123. Here also I have issued 123. Okay, that you can make that availability and press enter key, and could able to notice the warning message forgetting your Tally Vault password and rendering your data inaccessible. Press enter key, enter, enter, and notice only one currency is created in this. Okay, so accept. So while creating only, it's asking once again Tally Vault password. Enter Tally Vault password.